here's why you guys need to buy this Work Pro right here. You got 2 drawers, and you got a top storage here, and extra rubber feet in case you lose them. This is why. Over 3,000 pounds, it would still protect your tools if it got ran over. I mean, the top was a little flattened down, but I feel like if you had stuff in there that's flat, it would be okay. All the tools in here would be okay, absolutely. Nothing would have been damaged in these drawers for sure. So if you got, you know, if you want to get one of these things, at least know that it can, that a dually truck can run it over, and it'll all be in one piece at the bottom. All your tools will be in one piece.